High above the hills of Sky Meadow floats a little white cloud named Nimbo. Every day, Nimbo watches other clouds rain beautifully over the fields below. But no matter how hard he tries, not a single raindrop falls from him. He puffs, spins, and even sneezes, nothing. The world below stays dry. The big clouds giggle. Maybe you're just a decoration cloud, they tease. Nimbo drifts away, sad and embarrassed, hiding behind a mountain peak. Down below, the grass turns yellow and the flowers droop. A kind breeze named Whirla flies up to Nimbo and says, "Why are you hiding?" "I forgot how to rain," Nimbo sighs, "and now everyone is thirsty because of me." Whirla smiles. "Then let's go on a journey to help you remember." They begin their adventure, flying toward the Rainbow Range, where old weather spirits live. Along the way, they pass a flock of silver birds dancing in the wind. One bird lands on Nimbo and chirps, "You look too dry for a cloud." Whirla laughs. "We're going to help him find his tears." The birds whistle a soft song about rain. Clip, clop, pour, hoping it helps. Nimbo hums along, but still, no drops appear.